Tired of queuing solo and watching your random teammate run directly into a wall? Here's how to find some solid gamer friends. Start by taking note of players you enjoy gaming with, so you can bring up their awesome moves later. Don't glaze them, but drop a quick, chill compliment like, "Great shot," to break the ice. Then, reach out when they log on with a casual, "Great game yesterday. Want to play another?" Keep the lobby vibes friendly by avoiding wild crash outs on open mic. And try not to talk over comms when someone is trying to clutch. Likewise, don't spam the chat with large text block copy pastas. Ask about people's age and gender, or backseat drive your teammates mid-fight. You also can scout for friends on LFG apps like GameTree, dive into official game Discord channels, or drop a post on gaming subreddits. Remember, keep it low pressure and don't be weird. Just ask to play around today. Finally, keep your personal details private. And if someone asks for your real-life address, smash that block button.